This is Timothy Perfett from Tucano Software, and I hold the world speed record for restoring a Mac. There are many ways to restore a Mac back to factory default, but the fastest way is to use MDS to completely wipe and restore Mac regardless of the state it is in. This works on any Apple Silicon Mac and is incredibly easy. Let me show you how easy it is. Open up MDS and select Apple Silicon Restore. Plug in the target Mac into the Mac running MDS. Make sure to use a USB-C cable and put it on the USB port closest to the hinge on both Macs. Then click DFU mode to prepare the Mac for restore, then click Restore with Apple Configurator 2. A few minutes later, and it's done. The Mac is now back to factory default with the most recent version of macOS restored. There are many more features, so visit tucanos.com/MDS to learn more.